Hi there, it's Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks. And today we'll be unboxing and testing the URVNS 100W GaN charger using a wide variety of devices, from phones to laptops. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more videos from us. As you might remember, our chief mobile opinionist Matteo reviewed a 65W GaN charger from URVNS. Well, that's the pronunciation we're going with, as the name is still missing a few vowels. I wanted to find out how good those chargers are myself, so I got the 100W version from AliExpress, link in the description. I went for a version with an extra USB-C to USB-C cable and a UK plug, and it cost me just over £22. But you can get different plugs or opt out of the cable, saving you around £5. I'm hoping for the cable to work well with this charger though, let's hope that's the case. When it comes to the charger box itself, it comes with a thank you letter reminding you to rate them in the store, the charger, which we'll discuss in more detail in a moment, as well as a UK power cable, which is actually really long at around 1.4 meters. This might come in handy when traveling, if the power outlet is quite far and you want to charge your phone by your bed. So let's come back to the charger itself. It uses the new technology which utilizes gallium nitride, or GaN, which is a semiconductor used for producing chipsets, similar to silicon, which is the current material of choice. We'll soon do a separate video talking about what GaN chargers are and what the benefits are, but as you can see, the chargers are smaller and more powerful than usual. It's quite possible they might soon replace the traditional ones we use now. This specific charger is quite powerful, with the maximum output of 100 watts, which is quite crazy. However, it will vastly depend on which output you use, how many outputs at the same time, and even what cables and devices you use. The fastest and most powerful one is the USB-C power delivery port at the top. It has the maximum output of 100 watts, assuming you're only plugging one device in and that it can take that power input. There's also a USB-A smart charger port with output of up to 18 watt and further to 12 watt USB-A ports. According to the manufacturer, the charger supports Apple's Power Delivery 3.0 standard, Samsung's programmable power supply and adaptive fast charging, Huawei's fast charge protocol, and the Quick Charge 3.0 standard, among others. Alright, enough talking. Let's do some testing, starting with some phones. My recent device of choice is the Google Pixel 5, which we unboxed some time ago. Plugging it in shows it's charging rapidly, which is great to see. The same with my favorite phone of the last couple of years, the beautiful Huawei P30 Pro. It shows us quick charging on the lock screen, so it's all good. Next, my good old Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which also shows us fast charge. I also tested the POCO F2 Pro, which is currently used by my partner, and fast charging worked as well, but I somehow don't have the recording of that, so you can see the phone itself from our review last year. Let's step it up a bit, shall we? First, I'm using the Pixel 5 through the USB-C port and the P30 Pro through the smart charger port, and both are fast charging. Adding the Samsung S9 Plus, and all three are still fast charging. Even adding the POCO F2 Pro didn't slow things down. I also had no problems charging the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. It worked just fine. What's usually more problematic, however, is the Nintendo Switch, as not all the chargers work with it. Luckily, it was charging the device without problems, albeit I'm not sure how fast it was since there's no indication of speed. The final test was the Microsoft Surface Book 2, a laptop we reviewed on our channel back in June 2018. It is very demanding and requires more than 80 watt of power to properly charge both batteries, the one in the screen part and the other in the keyboard part. Initially, I thought it wasn't charging well, but after a moment, both batteries started charging, and it turned out that it was as fast as the original power brick from Microsoft. That's really great to see, meaning I'll be able to use the URVNS one instead of bringing the bulky original one when traveling. So, as you can see, the charger seems to be working as described, while being very small and powerful. My first impressions are that it's quite a great device, and it will replace my bedside charger for now, and when we can travel again, I'm sure I'll be taking it with me as well. That's it for this video. Let us know if you found it helpful in the comments below, and leave us a like if you enjoyed it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel, as we'll be releasing more interesting videos soon. But for now, thanks for watching!